This is your class wiki, and I want to just talk to you for a second about wikis. Wikis are a great way to share resources, gather resources, do group work, um, basically like you do probably in the past with Google Docs, but on a bigger scale. You can do it with the whole class. And I love creating a wiki in Google Sites because, again, you have all the interaction with inserting documents, YouTubes, etc., to share. So, and then what you would do when you create your wiki, when you go to share it, you would make it where anyone can edit it. All right, I've broken up the wiki for our class after looking back through all of your information from your intro and your forum and stuff. And I've generally broken down in early childhood, elementary grades 1 through 5, middle school, high school, and miscellaneous. Okay, miscellaneous will be anybody that doesn't fall into these. I know there's some of y'all that do private sector, or you're doing foundations. You have a different area of interest. This is where your resources would go. In a minute, I'm going to show you about how to take your Dico resources, put it on a Google Doc, and insert it. Now, on our regular our regular website, you have two pages. One says resources and one says teacher's choice. Now, you can change teacher's choice to teacher's favorites, um, sites of interest. I don't care what you do, but the great thing is the teacher's choice gives you the opportunity to put in YouTubes, different types of programs you like, anything that you like. It does not have to be TED Talks. It does not have to be specifically to your Google site interest. So this will give you a quick rundown on that, and I will show you the next one in a minute.